Healthcare leaders often face a difficult reality. When a caregiver resigns, is it because the job is too demanding, or because the support system around them feels inconsistent and invisible? In healthcare environments defined by emotional intensity, long shifts, staffing shortages, and constant patient demands, retention is not built through perks or occasional rewards, but through consistent clarity, meaningful support, and recognition that happens on schedule. Nurses, therapists, and caregivers rarely leave because they stopped caring. They leave when communication gaps widen, appreciation feels delayed, and emotional fatigue goes unnoticed. Real retention strategies therefore focus on predictable communication, peer connection, leadership visibility, and safe feedback channels that help employees feel valued, even during the most demanding shifts. Healthcare organizations that create structured communication rhythms, celebrate everyday contributions, and actively listen through pulse feedback loops foster environments where employees feel connected to purpose rather than isolated by pressure. This directly impacts not only turnover costs, but also patient safety, teamwork during critical moments, and continuity of care across departments and shifts. Whether in hospitals, pediatric care centers, rehabilitation facilities, or home healthcare environments, retention improves when appreciation becomes habitual, information becomes accessible, and employees feel emotionally supported rather than operationally managed. Workmates by HR Cloud helps healthcare HR teams enable this consistency by centralizing employee communication, supporting peer-to-peer and manager recognition, enabling milestone celebrations, and providing feedback tools that surface concerns early without adding administrative complexity to already busy care teams. By creating a space where caregivers can stay informed, appreciated, and connected, HR teams can strengthen belonging and reinforce purpose across distributed and shift-based workforces. MedLinks, Interim Healthcare, and All About Kids are among healthcare organizations that have used HR Cloud products. For HR leaders, the outcome is a workforce that feels seen, supported, and motivated to stay even in high-pressure environments. Because retention is ultimately shaped by everyday moments of clarity, support, and appreciation. So ask yourself, if communication and recognition were delivered consistently instead of occasionally, how many valued caregivers would still be part of your team today? Scan the QR code and book a demo today. Because when caregivers feel valued, patients feel the difference.